Today we are going to talk about 5 BL series or movies that are upcoming in 2021 that are worth wait. First one, A Distance Place. This Korean movie gives us the vibe of British movie called God's Own Country. The storyline goes like this. Jinwoo, who resides on a sheep ranch in Hwanshan, Gongwon-do, even though I watch K-dramas day and night, I still pronounce them like that. Sorry for that. Lives a quiet life with his daughter Sol. Yeah. Ranch owner Jungman and his daughter Moo Kang treat them as a family. And now get ready for the drama. Soon after, Jinwoo's male friend Humin arrives at the ranch and reveals that the two have been long time lovers. The dream of living happily with Sol in this beautiful place. However, with Jinwoo's twin sister Enyang's visit, conflict begins. In fact, Sol is Enyang's daughter, but Jinwoo has been raising her because Enyang disappeared. Yeah, that's her fault. A distance place is a story that is not noticed from afar but revealed when looked closely. The local folks, who are just like our relatives, who seemed friendly and gentle, show their true colors and become discriminatory as they learn about the truth of two men. Even the intentions of family members who thought they knew each other very well feel like a far place. Like Jinwoo's mind, a beautiful autumn landscape of Kangwon-do turns into a harsh winter. But the film believes that there is still a ray of hope. Second one is Call It What You Want. After the initiation of Lovely Writer, which shows us the bad and dangerous side of couple shipping. This series about show dark side of BL industry. Call It What You Want is a film series about the BL industry following the director James, who was cheated on by his boyfriend. In the middle of the process of the film, in which James had planned for a long time, the film got cancelled. He was depressed for a while until PT called him and wanted James to collaborate with his new series, Tonight, to which James agreed. At the MTH production company, he met Bass and Ed, the lead actors in the new series that he was working on. They both were under pressure from the agency regarding the way they have to act and what they have to eat. We will also follow the hardship which Bas and At have to encounter in the BL industry. Meanwhile, the James' friend Marco, a Taiwanese model who has been staying in Thailand for a couple of years now, has been in love with James for a while but decided not to confess his feelings, instead deciding to take care of his friend. One of James' job was to give boys acting lessons, and by doing so, he and it get closer. However, they couldn't make their relationship official as the company was opposed to them dating. They decided to date in secret. Bas and Marco by that time already felt that there is something was going between two. Bas decided to keep quiet, and jealousy got the better of Marco and made him possessive of James. Bas had secrets of his own, including a dark one. He had problem with tea and didn't know who to turn for help. GMM TV already released the trailer of this particular series. You can watch it on their official channel. When I saw first picture of Mark carrying P, it just reminded me Simon and Jason from Advanced Bravely. They just beat the pocket mirror here. P has a crush on one of the hottest student in the Allied Health Science department, but since he is not confident, just like us, enough about his looks, he is helpless. At least until Dwayne and his friends help him to get a makeover to boost his confidence. That never work on us. When P finally has a guts to approach his crush, he meets his rival, Mock. P tried to surpass Mock in everything to get the attention of Nan, the crush, but he is not lucky enough to beat him. However, everything changed as Pete starts to feel a different set of feelings towards Mock, making things more complicated. Tell the world I love you. Okay, search for all over the net to find some synopsis of this drama, but no luck. The story of true love between two men. Happiness doesn't matter how many times you smile. It depends on whom you are smiling with. Okay, here synopsis doesn't matter because the leads are Perth and Bass, and the poster giving me the vibes of crime and dark story, and we can look forward to that. Not me is the biggest gift for Afghan shippers because their magic is back. When name, his twin's name is Black, okay, is viciously attacked and subsequently left hospitalized, White is unable to endure the harm done to his brother in silence. Yeah, our bad is okay. Knowing from his brother's mouth that it was one of Black's closest friends who betrayed him, White disguised himself as Black to root out the traitor. Was it Sane, who was so calm, serious, and hard to read, or cheerful and friendly Graham? Or might it have been hot blooded York, who likes to fight? That's the daddy. Yeah, they are the egg, white and yolk.